Hi guys, this is Nice Patondo channel. We're back guys with another video. We're gonna do the parallel parking on our left side. She's already started it and she's about to get in on her left side. Now she's doing a full swing on her left just to make sure that she sees all of the poles on her left side mirror. So when you see your poles on your left side mirror, all of them, you stop immediately guys, because of now you need to make sure that you calculate everything accurately. Let's go. So she's about to do a reverse, and then she's gonna see all of the poles, then she's gonna stop, then after she stopped she's gonna do 1.5 and put her tire straight, and then she will go straight, and then she will align with those poles straight, so that she could do the full swing on her left or on her right, so that she could like get into a parallel parking. Nice. A bit, just a bit, then nice, perfect. And you see that, remember what we did last time? Yeah, use that measurement you saw last time by using the mirror. Nice, like that. Then you do a full swing on your right. Good. And then we get in nicely. Look at the car, it's gonna get in nicely guys. She just did a full swing on her right, then it ensured her that it will get in perfectly. Nice. As you can see guys, the car just got in perfectly. And then let's do it again. And then she's gonna try that again just to make sure that she got it nicely, because when you learn guys, you don't just learn only there and then you think that it's over. Nope guys, every day when you get into a car, you learn every day. You learn every day, you learn every day. So you make sure that when you get into a car, you do the right thing. So here guys, she has to like fix her car and put it properly, reverse, and then come back again. I need you to put your car properly here, because now when we do the full swing, it's not gonna be nice. Good. Do the reverse. The reason why she's doing the reverse guys, in order for her to get into a box, in order for her to get into this box nicely, and then so that she could do the parallel parking. Good. Nice. Yeah. And then she's gonna come in the box guys, so that she could do the parallel parking nicely. Yeah. Then that's good. Perfect. Nice. And then you see guys, when you park, you use anything that you can use to your advantage in order to stand up straight. You see, when you're sitting like this, look at something that you can use to sit up straight when you come here again. Yeah, it's already. You find, even if it's small, as long as it's a to your advantage, it's perfect. You make sure that you find something that you use so that you go back to that space perfectly. Nice. Let's go again. She's perfect. She's gonna do the parallel parking again on the left side. So now guys, she's waiting to adjust herself so that she could do everything nicely. So yeah, let's start. Nice. She's reversing now. She's reversing, then she's gonna stand over the line. There's a line that we put there in order for them to see where they should stop, and then they should do the full swing on their left side. After you've done your full swing on your left side, and then she's gonna look at her mirrors, right mirror actually. She's gonna look at her right mirror, and then she's wanting to see the poles, 3 poles that are gonna appear on the mirror. So after they appear guys, you stop immediately guys. You stop immediately. Nice. She just saw all of those 3 poles. She stopped immediately, and then she's doing a 1.5. She's putting her tires straight, and then she's gonna get in, align, and then she's gonna be aligned with this pole. She must make sure that everything she does it nicely and balances the car. Perfect. And then after she aligns with this pole, she has to do the full swing on her right. Good. Then after the full swing on her right, and then she can get in. Then stop. Excellent, guys. That's how you do your parallel parking, guys. So you make sure that you balance your clutch, make sure that you do everything thoroughly, because of now the small car is very fragile and soft, so guys, so you make sure everything that you do there, you do it nicely, and you be sure of everything that you do. Guys, this is Nice Matondo on Nice Matondo's channel. Yeah, I think this is it for now. I'm gonna make sure that if, guys, you don't understand this one, I'm gonna post another video, guys, for you to understand. Thank you so much, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and hit the notification button for more videos coming, and I'll catch you in the next video, guys. Ciao.